Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on GitHub, whether you're strengthening your account security or simply updating your credentials. This straightforward process will have your new password set up in just a few moments. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and account settings. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account management. This is your gateway to personalizing and securing your GitHub experience. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive page where you can modify various aspects of your GitHub account, from your profile information to privacy and security settings. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of different setting categories. Look for and click on Password and Authentication. This section is specifically designed for managing your login credentials and security features, making it the perfect place to update your password. Once you're in the Password and Authentication section, navigate to the Password area. Here you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Go ahead and click on it to begin the password update process. A form will appear prompting you to enter your password details. First, type your old password in the designated field. This step is crucial as it verifies that you're the legitimate account owner and prevents unauthorized password changes. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your old password, move to the next field and type your new password. When creating your new password, consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure maximum security for your account. Next, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. This double entry system helps prevent typos and ensures you'll remember the password you've chosen. Take your time here to make sure both entries match perfectly. Finally, once all fields are completed, click Update Password. GitHub will process your request and update your credentials immediately. Your new password will now be active and you'll use it for all future logins to your GitHub account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GitHub password and enhanced your account security. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.